Welcome back, everyone. Our KETK news team, as well as our viewers, thank you for this, have been sending us pictures and videos from today's storm damage.
Now, these pictures show an uprooted tree in the Pecan Valley subdivision in Bullard. This was sent in to us by our morning meteorologist, Braden Seo. Now, fortunately, it was not a direct hit to the house, but a scary moment nonetheless for that family.
Yeah, meanwhile, in Lindale, city crews had their work cut out for them after today's storms. As you can see, they were tasked with clearing these trees on FM 1995 earlier today, which had completely blocked access from both sides of the road.
Now, if you have any pictures or video you'd like to share of storm damage in your area with our team, you can do so by scanning the code on your screen right now. That'll allow you to consent for us to allow us to use your pictures and video on air and on our website, KETK.com.
Yeah, and tonight at 10, I'll show you a picture from my house that I took of the hailstones that just started falling. I live in the Flint area. It was so loud, so scary for so many people today, especially when we had those tornado warnings as well, Carson.
Yeah, and we had a couple of them, one over Anderson County, and then the one we had across southern Smith County as well. Very scary. Lots of people reported the sirens were going off, and then obviously we had the tree damage and the power outages from those storms. But the good news is we are starting to see counties trimmed from that tornado watch.